Westermans here. You have a Jetline welding lathe arrived with an L-Tech DC power source, AVC controls, slopes, headstock positioner with tailstock. Tailstock is on pneumatics. Motorised up and down, torch retract, also has a function to raise and lower on the bed. As you can see, this will actually tilt even further, but the purpose of the video just to show the function. TIG power source can be changed with something more current if required. There is also wire feed controls fitted to the back, but the wire feed controls, but there is no wire feed unit fitted. This is an option if required. At this present time it's purely fusion welds. Main supply 400 volts with an auxiliary of 110. A little bit higher on the tilt. And then back down again. Voltage controls, start, delay, stop, sensitivity, touch retract. Then here obviously we've got the speed. You've also got max speed, forwards and reverse. Of course, stop in the middle. Earthing and gas purge through the sensor. This machine will either be sold as is or fully serviced with warranty, and then can be shipped worldwide. Thank you for looking. More items to follow.